Hey gamers! Welcome back to Tech Talk Bro. We're diving into the world of gaming peripherals with an in-depth look at the Redragon Gaming Mouse. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, this mouse promises to level up your game. So, let's get started. The Redragon Gaming Mouse features a high-precision sensor with up to, which is perfect for both fast-paced shooters and slow, precise movements in strategy games. The build quality feels robust with a matte finish that gives it a great grip. Plus, it has customizable weights, so you can adjust the mouse to your preferred feel. Performance-wise, this mouse delivers. The high DPI setting allows for smooth, responsive movements, and the customizable buttons make it easy to execute complex commands without fumbling around. Here's some footage of it in action. Fully programmable gaming mouse. This wireless gaming mouse make it possible for you to remap the buttons, assignment of complex macro functions, change RGB backlit effects and speed, adjust DPI in a wide range, 258,000, to fit your different needs via Redragon driver. It's a good choice for gaming and working. The gaming driver is compatible with Windows only. Enhance your gaming immersion with 9 adjustable RGB backlit modes. You can adjust backlit effects via mouse or driver to create you fancy gaming environment and light up your game atmosphere. High precision sensors with 5 default DPI levels, 500 1000s, 2000 3000s, 4000, and multiple adjustable DPI, 258,000, via driver. You can easily adjust the moving speed and experience a smooth, fast response and accurate tracking gaming experience. Ultra-long battery life. Rechargeable wireless gaming mouse has a battery life between 35 hours RGB on and 70 hours RGB off on a single charge. Provide you with non-stopping using. It will auto-sleep after 1 minute of inactively. For power saving. The wireless mouse also can be used wired while charging. Overall, the Redragon Gaming Mouse offers fantastic value for its price. It's a solid choice for gamers looking for performance and customization without breaking the bank. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade, this mouse is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in picking one up, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.